Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Info. So today's topic is about how to create a Gmail account. To create a Gmail address, you will first need to create a Google account. Gmail will redirect you to the Google account sign up page. You will need to provide some basic information like your name, birth date, gender and location. You will also need to choose a name for your new Gmail address. Once you create an account, you will be able to start adding contact and adjusting your mail settings. To create an account, go to www.gmail.com. Click create account as shown in this picture. Number 3, the sign up form will appear. Follow the direction by entering the required information as shown in the picture. Next, enter the phone number to verify your account. Google uses a two-step verification process for your security. Number 5, you will receive a text message from Google with a verification code. Enter the code to complete the account verification as shown in this picture. Number 6, next, you will see a form to enter some of your personal information like your name and birth. Like this are you shown in this picture. Review Google terms of services and privacy policy, then click I agree as shown in this picture. Your account will be created. Just like with an online service, it's important to choose a strong password. In other words, one that is difficult for someone else to guess. For more information, review our lesson on creating a strong password. Signing into your account. When you first create your account, you will be automatically signed in. Most of the time, however, you'll need to sign into your account and sign out. When you're done with it, signing it out is especially important if you are using a shared computer, for example, at a library or office, because it's prevent others from viewing your email. To sign in, go to www.gmail.com. Number 2, type your username, your email address and password, then click next. To sign out, in the top right corner of the page, locate the circle that has your first initial. If you have already selected an avatar image, it will show the image instead. To sign out, click the circle and select sign out. Mail setting. Occasionally, you may want to make adjustment to Gmail appearance or behavior. For example, you could create a signature or vacation reply, edit your label, or change the theme. This adjustment can be made from your mail setting. To assess your mail setting, number 1, click the gear icon in the top right corner of the page, then select settings as shown in this picture. Number 2, from here you can click any of the categories at the top to edit the desired setting. As you seen in this picture, adding contacts. Like all major important email provider, Gmail lets you keep an address book of contact so you don't have to memorize everyone's email addresses. You can also add other contact information like phone numbers, birthdays and physical addresses. To add to add contact, click the Google app button as shown in this picture. Click the contact button in the drop down menu as shown in this picture. Number 3, your contact screen will appear. Click the add new contact button in the lower right corner as shown in this picture. Enter the contact information, then click save as shown in this picture. To edit a contact, Number 1. In the Google app drop down menu, select contact. Number 2. Look at the contact you want to edit. Then click edit contact. Number 3. You can now make any changes you want to contact as shown in this picture. By default, when you send an email to a new address, Gmail adds the addresses to your contact. You can then go to your contact to edit the person's information as needed. Importing mail and contacts. You may already have a contact list from another email address, and it would be a lot of work to re-enter all of this information manually. Gmail allows you to import your contact from another email account, and you can even import all of your email messages from that account. Several email providers are supported, including Yahoo, Hotmail, and AOL. To add other account, click the gear icon in the top right corner of the page, then select settings. Number 2, go to account and click add a mail account. You can then follow these instructions on the screen to import your mail. As shown in this picture. Challenge: if you do not already have a Google account, Gmail account, create one. Open Gmail. Navigation to your Gmail setting. Set your preferences in your Gmail setting. Add a new contact. You can either add one you already know, or if you like, you can create one with the following information. Today's topic is over.